Hello, hello, beautiful souls. Shanna here, your magical mindset coach. Today, or this week, I should say, I've been doing weekly videos. I'm going to talk to you about Mel Robbins' 5-second rule. If you don't know what that is, she wrote a book called The 5-Second Rule, and it's great. I read it early on in my journey, and I have used it ever since. So, the 5-second rule, the way she explains it in the book and recommends to use it is when you're hesitating on doing something that you know you need to do or should do, getting out of bed in the morning, exercising, things of that nature, you can count down in your head from 5. And her story behind it is really awesome. So she was down in the dumps and came up with this like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 launch to launch herself out of bed in the morning when she was feeling depressed. And, then she dove into the science behind it. And it's really quite fascinating. So our brains get into these loops, our habitual patterns, and they form synapses. And when you're in that habit of not going to the gym or not getting out of bed in the morning or not doing the thing, doing 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, counting down either out loud or in your head, it interrupts those synapses and you can choose a different response. So it's very helpful. I definitely used it early on in my journey for things like getting out of bed in the morning, and making different choices. But I've also used it to interrupt the negative thought patterns in my brain. So when my brain is looping on a negative thought pattern or ruminating on something I said or did or something somebody else said or did, I use the 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 to interrupt that negative thought pattern and then refocus it onto something more positive. So you can use it for things like that too. But it's a very handy tool to have in your toolkit. So I wanted to share it with you all today. The book is fabulous. It's been a while since I read it. I think I actually listened to it on Audible. So I want to read it again and see if I can grab any more good tidbits. But just the 5-second rule in general is a really, really good one. So I challenge you to try it this week. If you have anything you're struggling with doing, or any repetitive thought pattern that you've had going on in your head, try 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then change it to a positive or do the thing. So that's your challenge this week. Also a reminder, I have the Magic of Mindfulness meditation course starting on the 16th. So you can go to magicalmindset.com, scroll down to the bottom, and you will see it there. All the information is listed if you want to give that a try. But meditation, again, is one of the biggest things that has helped me reprogram my brain, get out of those negative thought patterns in the long term. So I highly encourage everyone to give it a try. And let me know how this 5-second rule goes for you. Let me know if you've read the book or if you plan to read the book. And I hope it helps. Have a great day.